Welcome to your own channel, that is Internet Quality Academy. The channel is for the quality control engineer, civil engineer, and the site engineers who are working in the construction projects. Today, I will discuss about a very important topics of the construction, that is construction management. How you will manage the construction whenever you are performing in the site. So let's jump into the subject. What is construction management? What is the key component of construction management, and how to manage construction procedure at the site? So let's jump into the subjects. Hi, I'm Kamal Banerjee, a civil engineer and the quality control professionals. I have more than 20 years of experience in India and the international level in various construction projects. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever a new video I will upload, you will get the immediate notification. So let's start construction management. Suppose आपके घर में कोई शादी हो रहा है, what will happen? It will be a very fun and entertaining. But to perform, what you need to do? You need to call caterer people, you need to call the lighting people, you need to call the decorator, you need to call the flower people, you need to call the car. So each and every aspects of wedding you need to take care in order to परफॉर्म द वेडिंग इन वेल. सो शादी को एकदम बराबर करने के लिए आपको एक एक चीज को ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. द सेम वे द कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट इज ऑल्सो वट एवर इज रिक्वायर्ड टू perform or complete the activities, each and everything to be managed in a way that the end product will be delivered as per the requirement. जैसे the wedding should be happen as per the happy ending and as per the our expectation. The same way we need to manage the construction. So these are the construction management. So what is the definition, or what is construction management? Construction management refers to the systematic planning, coordinations, and control of a construction project's various elements, including resource, schedules, element, cost, quality, safety, and the stakeholders. So, as I mentioned earlier, I given the example of the wording. Each and everything what is required, you need to complete and you need to control or you need to manage in a manner so that the end product is delivered as per the requirement. So these are the construction management. So next is why construction management is important. Why I need to manage the construction activities at the site. Let's see what is the main thing of construction management. First things, client satisfaction. In any business, it is the first and the foremost criteria that client should be satisfied or happy customer. So in order to get the happy customer or you make the customer happy, you need to do the construction management. How? It is well managed projects meets or exceed client expectation. Suppose it is not well managed, so everyone is working as per their own, so the end activity will not be finished, so everyone will come with a separate goal, and it will not the end goal or the ultimate goal of the project. So you need to manage the construction procedure in order to get the client satisfactions or the customer happiness. The next part is quality assurance. No need to say what is quality assurance. I have made a detailed video about the quality assurance. If you want to know, please kindly check the in description box. I have given the links of this quality assurance videos. The quality assurance is construction management ensures adhere to quality standard. So construction management is important because it is also assuring the quality part of the construction. Then risk reduction. What is risk reduction? That is preventing risk management, minimize potential setbacks. Now I'm giving the example. Suppose you are working, your project is in the very monsoon area where the monsoon is very much, so I mean, maybe in the 6 months there is a lot of flood and a lot of rain is there. So you know that there is a disruption of the work during the rainy season or the monsoon season. Now you know the risk that that time maybe the progress and the quality can be hampered. Now when you know the risk, now you need to make the plan or make the construction plan so that whatever the deficiencies during the monsoon, it can be overcome, or how you can work during the monsoon. That is a risk reduction. The risk reduction is also another part of the construction management. Now cost saving. Every project is rely on the three pillar. That's the time, this is the quality, and the budget. So cost saving is also an important aspect of the construction management. Then the safety, of course, the safety of the people, safety of the environment, or safety of the surroundings is need to be ensured during the construction. And this is a part of construction management, how you are managing your people or how you are managing your environment in order to protect this earth or the people of the people who are working in the site. And then efficiency, every projects or every activity needs the efficiency. If there is no efficiency, that progress cannot be happen. So the construction management helps to increase the efficiency of the people because it is working in a systematic manner and in a common goal everyone is working, so the efficiency also is increased. So these are the importance of the construction management. So in order to get the value or get the end product, these are the requirement or these are the importance we need to follow during the construction management. The next is, what is the key component of the construction management, or which area you need to take care of the construction management, just like the wedding. So there is a separate sub activities in the wedding. In the same things in the construction management also there are part activities. First thing is project planning and the scope. First, if you don't know the scope, then you cannot planning. And if you don't know the scope, how you will ensure the end products? Suppose in a football match, the people, two teams are there, ball is there, but there is no goal post. Then what will happen? The team, both the player, both the team will play, but there will no end product because there is no goal post, so there will be no goal. In the same way, if there is a no scope or no goal of the project, there no activity can be performed. So first things you need to finalize what is my project scope and what then the planning. Say define project and objective and goals, and then establishing project scope and the boundaries. So first component of the construction management is project planning and scope. Define the scope, end product, objective, and the goal. And then planning how it will be achieved, how the construction will be done. So these things, project planning and the scope, this is the first things of the construction management. The second is resource allocation. Without the resource, nothing, no activity can be happen. The resource may be the manpower, maybe the material, maybe the machineries. So how I will allocate the resource or how we will engage the resource at the project execution side, that is also a part of construction management. So the resource allocation management also need to be take care in order to get the output. So allocating budget for the materials, labor, and the contingencies. First you need to know the what is the resource I need and what is the budget for that you need to prepare in order to get the resource allocation. And then planning and assigning manpower, equipment, and material. First we plan, these are the requirement and these are my budget. Now this, suppose we plan that we need 3 excavator at the site, but at when we need the 3 excavator, whatever the manpower required, or how it will be managed, whether it will be into day shift only or day or night shift, or it will take 2 months or 3 months, that project resource allocation is very much important. And this is the construction management part. So the resource allocation planning also need to be taken care in order to deliver the project or the construction part in time, money, and the quality. So resource allocation also an important part. The next part of the construction management is risk management. As I already discussed, that it may be risk. I have given example of the rainy season, or sometimes the during period of time you will not get the labor or you will not get the material. So how you will manage this one, or how you will mitigate those deficiencies, that risk management plan also will be placed in order to success in the construction. This is also a part of construction management. So identify potential project risk and uncertainties, or developing strategies to mitigate and address risk. Some area where the river sand is used during the monsoon, the river is closed and no sand you will get that period. So how you will manage that one? Maybe you need to stock before, or you need to find out different material in order to perform the activities. So the risk management, whatever the risk or the potential hazard is there in to minimize the construction or delayed the construction process, that need to be managed properly, and the develop strategies to be developed in order to avoid this risk. So this risk management also is a very essential part of the construction management. The next is scheduling and timelines that I already discussed. Creating a project schedule with the milestone. Yeah, only I cannot say my duration of the project is 24 months and I will finish the project within the 24 months. No, if we plan like this, we will fail. We need to plan month wise, we need to plan week wise, and we need to plan day wise, and we need to fix some key milestone that we finish this key milestone this period of this period. Suppose you are doing a multi-story building, so you can fix the key milestone: first floor slab casting, second floor slab casting, third floor slab casting. So key milestone will be fixed, that this is my key milestone, I will finish in this. So that we need to know that within this period we need to finish these things, and analyzing critical path tasks for timely completion. Some activity is critical and some that need to be taken care very carefully, so that the project can be delivered within the time. So these things, scheduling and timeline that need to be taken care in very carefully. So if planning or scheduling is in place or is in proper, then rest things can be taken care. But if the scheduling and time planning is not in the place or need not in proper, the other things will get delayed and other things will be in a problem. So we need to finalize the scheduling and planning in order to get the success of the construction. The next of the construction management is quality management, that is ensuring adherence to industry quality standard and implementing process for quality verification. So we know that the project is dependent on three pillars: time, budget, and the quality. So within time, within budget, and the within quality, we need to deliver the projects. So the construction management also need to plan how the quality management, that we are our quality management plan is this, so we will follow this, we will deliver the project with the quality. So we need to plan the quality management part also in the construction management. What is quality management plan? I have made a detailed video. You will find out in the description box, or you will link link in the description box, so that you will get the full notification. So this is the quality management. The next part is communication and collaboration. So why you need communication and collaboration? Because without the communication or without the collaboration with the stakeholder alone, you cannot perform the project. So communication should be proper, and stakeholder collaboration also required, because you need supplier, you need to subcontract at the side to deliver the project within that time. So in order to get the success of the construction management, you need to do the communication and the collaboration. The next part of the construction management is safety and compliance. So in the construction, there are various height work, hot work, and this is a risk work. So if anything, a near miss accident or anything can happen at the site. So to mitigate that one, you need to enforce safety protocols for worker and the public safety, and ensuring compliance with the regulations and codes. So our target is to finish the construction within the zero accident. So in order to get that one, or in order to protect the environment, we need to do the safety and compliance in place. So the safety plan to be in the place, or safety management also will be the place in the construction management part, enforcing safety protocols for worker and the public safety, and ensuring compliance with the regulation and codes. So these are the safety and compliance, which is also the most important part of the construction management. The next component of the construction management is the change management. What is change management? Everything is there now. After finishing the planning, after finishing the quality, after finishing the specification, everything, now client has changed some things. Now, how this change to be incorporated in the original plan without changing the quality, time, and budget? You need to make this change management plan. So whenever a change is happen in the project, it should not affect the delivery time, budget, and the quality. So how you will manage the change, and how will preparing the change, that is also to be taken care, and it should be included in the construction management. So managing changes to project scope and documenting changes and their impact. So whenever it is a big change, there should be impact, the time will be more or the money will be more. So whatever the impact of the change, that you need to prepare and you need to submit to the client that during this change, this is the impact. So in order to deliver the project, we need to do this plan. So the impact and the plan of the change management, that is also need to be in place in order to deliver the project. So this change management also need to be taken care during the construction management. The next part is cost control. Now, why is cost control? Because every company wants to deliver the project within the time and within the budget. So you need to, as a construction manager or the construction person, you need to control the cost. So how we can that at monitoring project expenditure and cost. First, there will be a budget, and whenever expenditure is happening at the site, you need to take care whether this budget exceed or not. And then if it is a problem, then identify opportunities for cost optimization. Maybe in some activities the cost little bit higher. Now you need to think that whatever the cost is more, that to be taken care with some other activities, so that the budget will be same or the total cost will be the same. And we need to find out whatever the possibilities we have in our hand without harm to the quality or the standard, how we can minimize the cost, that is the cost control. The cost control management also a part of construction management, and it should be taken care very carefully, because ultimately it's a cost and it is impacted the company's economy and the company's profit. So in order to get the profit, construction management or the cost control management is very much essential. And the last one, but not the least, that is project close out. So everything you have done with time, with money, budget, and with the quality, now it's time to close the project and hand it over to the consultant or the client. Then what is mean conducting final inspection and assessment. Now whenever the project finish or the end product is there, you need to call the consultant or the client for their final inspection. So they will come at the project to check this final product, and maybe they will give some snag or they will some observation. Now again you need to perform this observation, and again you have to recall them for their acceptance. And if it is accepted by them, that means project is closed out. And reflecting on lesson learned for the future improvement. The project close out not only prepare the document or the handed over to the consultant. Maybe in this project there is some difficulties or there is some error or we have made the mistakes. So the same mistake should not be happen in the next project. So the lesson learned, whatever we learn in this project, that should be documented in a manner so that the other project will be also get benefited. So these are the project close out. So I think these are all about the construction management. So construction management, in order to deliver the project within the time, money, and the quality, how to manage the construction process is the construction management. And I have already discussed the component of the construction management. Hope you enjoy this and you find it useful. So again, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notifications. And I am waiting for your valuable feedback so that we can grow together. And if you want to know anything about the construction or the quality control, please let me know so that I will also come with a new video. And thank you very much for watching me.